Today is a special day because we do have a special guest today, and today's special guest is me, Valian from Tangled the Series. We got a special package from St. Petersburg in Russia. And I know what princess was born in Russia. What princess was born in Russia? Well, Anastasia was born in St. Petersburg, Russia. Oh yeah, Anastasia! I started seeing the animated version, but the Broadway show is not confirmed yet. So now, let's go open it. Sorry that Coop and Candy Axelrod is on, and I know what they are already. Oh, great, they'll combined it. And well, wowzers! They sent them all! And they're together! You probably noticed that they're pins from Russia. Wow, this is so fantastic that they packed them up together. I thought they would pack them up separately, like those Andrea, Rapunzel, and using Cassandra, Rapunzel, and of course my favorites, using Valian, and also Valian, and also Valian. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's my second and third pin series. Second and third pin series I got. Valian's new Fusel. I got this one as number 2, and this one as the number 3. But the one that I got, Valian gave us that for the Christmas. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! And I do look pretty good on the pin. Check out those pins. I look pretty sweet and evil with that pin and that pin and these 2 pins too. Oh, actually, I look good in all 3 of those pins. Oh, Valian. Wow. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. What? I got a American. I gotta go. What? I got to go to Tangled the series meeting. What? Yeah. For the 6 villains anyway. So, who's in charge of beverages this time? Oh, I am. Really? What are you bringing? Well, I'm only 16. What? You're only 16? 16 years old. Yep, I'm only 16 right now. So I'm playing Diet Alchemy Hill. I built some fun for you. Some for you, Help. Actually, I had it already, so that's how I gotta go. Bye. Valian, you come back here. I will after my meeting is over. Valian. Oh, how do you like them apples, Valian? I took a can out of a fridge. I'll get you one day. And there's Sandy. And look at this. Oh, Christmas tree is still up and decorated. Because you know that Dad was in a hospital again. In my tree inside of the cloning room is still up too. So how do you like them apples, Valian? I took one out of the fridge.
Speaking of apples, you ate all the apples.
Mm-hmm.
That's why there's none in your mouth.
What a great way to end this. It keeps me up at 5 a.m. on Tangled days. On Tangled, the Vasili's days. It's on early. This is the stuff I have. Hi, Sandy. Sandy. Say hello, Sandy. I say hello. Hotel saying hello, Sandy. I say goodbye, Sandy. I say goodbye. Bye.
Go speak. Go say hi. What does the cow say?
Boy. Sandy, say bye. Sandy. Boy.